today's journey takes us into the cool hills of St. Andrew. I wonder where we are today. Stay tuned and let's see. I made it! Blue Ridge Restaurant and Cottages. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, EpicTourzZ, where it's about fun, food, travel, adventure, and pretty much, doing all of these things if you have a kid. So we're at Blue Ridge Restaurant and Cottages. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like, subscribe, follow, share, everything, because I know you guys watching these videos. So please to make sure that you subscribe. All right, so let's see. Let's go.
Hi, welcome to Blue Ridge. My name is Leonie Unta and I'll be your host for today.
Hey guys, so this is the Peacock Cottage. This is where I'll be staying. There we have the bed. There's a little coffee if you want coffee. Oh, this painting is so nice. Then we have the bathroom. Don't mind me. Bam. All right, so let's go and see what we have here on the outside. Let's see. These paintings are really nice. What's out here? Oh, look at that. This is an amazing view, guys. Look at that. Wow. Let's look at it from this side. Yeah, guys, so this is Blue Ridge Restaurant and Cottages. Let's go back inside. So as you can see, I slept in this hoodie, got up, got ready, put on this hoodie, and getting breakfast. So just so you guys can see, it's such a nice view. I'm gonna show you. So nice. attempt dieting after like 50 years. I haven't done this since I was like a kid, so let's see, right? That's not going in there, my sweet. That's not even. Come again. I have another one. So guys, I'm making my way down to the room. Alright, so Leonie, what can you tell us today about Blue Ridge Restaurant and
We
Cottages?
provide a perfect location for a quiet, romantic getaway where you can unplug and interact with nature. With me, so we can tell you a little bit more.
Alright guys, let's go.
We have 2 cottages, namely the Butterfly Cottage and the Peacock Cottage. The Butterfly Cottage seats 4 persons. It has a king-size bed and a pillow couch. And the Peacock Cottage sleeps 2 persons, and you both get a complimentary breakfast. They both have balconies that overlooks the lush vegetation and also the Blue Mountain.
So beautiful. Alright, so Leonie, a lot of persons I know are more familiar with the restaurant versus the cottages. But before we even get into that, I want you to just tell us a little bit about like the owners and what are some of the things that are offered here at Blue Ridge.
Okay, each is owned by 2 best friends, Sarah Wellers and Tabitha Phillips. We're located in the cool hills of St. Andrew, Lot 9, Salted Road. To get here, it's better to charter a ride or drive your own private. It's about 30 minutes drive from Pepino. We have been around for 5 years, and Blue Ridge sits on a coffee farm. Our menu has a mixture of Jamaican and international cuisine. Our signature dish is the Blue Ridge smoked pork chop that goes well with our homemade mac and cheese and the Blue Ridge chocolate. We offer a relaxing picnic by the river, which is approximately 20 minutes away from here, and also we arrange for a ganja tour and to hike the Blue Mountains. Hours are on Saturdays and Sundays from 12 p.m. and we take our last seating at 5 p.m. Reservations only.
Okay guys, so my thoughts meanwhile I eat lunch. So I actually really love it here. It's really good if you really just want to like relax, unwind for a bit. The staff here is so friendly, so nice, so welcoming. Which you saw earlier, Leonie, she's really good. And I think the food is also really good. Guys, you know I love popcorn. But what I like too is that like the food is like it's just the right amount. So it's not too much, it's not too little, and it's filling. So it's like perfect. But that's for my belly. Everybody has different capacities, but for me that's perfect. But yeah, you guys should definitely check it out. Alright, so feel free to message me if you have any questions or if you want any more details as to how you can go about booking or staying at Blue Ridge Restaurant and Cottages. Take care, guys.
EpicTourzZ, thanks for coming, and I hope you enjoy your stay. Guys, so you see everything. You can come and dine, wine, unwind, and stay. Hope to see you soon.
You got that, guys, so make sure you come and visit Blue Ridge Restaurant